didn't know just what we believed in, but our curious heart led us to believing we'd be okay. Along the path we ventured to freedom. For what we seek we had no reason. It was a heart whose doubts bleeding led us to say, what if we trip? What if we